E don red though for Nigeria army and Biafra army. No be small ogbonigwe dey go on right now as we dey talk. Ogbonigwe dey go on, ogbonigwe dey fly, dey go everywhere. As the ogbonigwe dey go na Biafra liberation army dey give am woto to Nigeria army, na so dey come dey run kitikiti, dey run katakata. No be small thing o. Hello my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. For this update we want give you now, before we go jump inside, may you check very well whether you just subscribe to this channel. If you never do so, may you quickly go subscribe and also turn your notification bell for quick update as they hot. Now so they bring and they come. Don't forget to follow our Facebook. They hot for that place now. They say the Biafra Liberation Army today no be small battle with the Nigeria army today. They say now if you see the way Ogbonigwe the sound, they say even the sound of the Ogbonigwe self come make even the armor tank self come the fear. Now they say which kind of Ogbonigwe come be this one? Now so armor tank come turn back. Armor tank go shake, be like say one break. No be small thing. Don't worry, mo go dey play you the videos. May you hear the moment Nigeria fighter jet enter inside their territory.
Good morning to all those who wish us well. Breaking news this morning: the enemies, the intruder, the have come to Osumowo as usual. They are bombarding with bomb. They are throwing bomb, but nothing is happening anyway. I'm here this morning to inform the world to be at alert. They have come that they may die. They have come that they may die. So far, they have thrown 3 bombs. Rocket launcher. They have launched 3 bombs so far. Because I believe the America have given them this weapon because they think they can defeat us. But we are here to tell the world that we are undefeatable. They have launched 3 bombs. They are not flying aircraft. They launched this bomb very far away. So it is our promise that all of them that come today, because the information reaches us is some are more than 2,000 army personnel are approaching with food. Why bomb is explosion somewhere around our territory? We are here and we are equal to the task. We are equal to the task. We are the owners of the land. And listen, you are going to hear bomb now. That is bomb explosive. Have you heard it now? That is bomb. You can only hear it flying for up, and then if you come to our territory, something will collect it from up. But if it is away from our territory, it will explode for ground. So this very one come directly to our territory. Directly to our territory. It just explodes for up. So we are here and we go nowhere. Okigwe is with us. So as you can hear the sound, the battle is going on. We are responding to them. We are responding to them squarely. We are responding to them. For those of you who do not believe in us, you are wasting your time. Okigwe prepared us 1,000 years ago. And we have come to do the needful. I have always tell you that we have taken an oath to restore Biafra. Nothing is value to us. Nothing is important to us. Nothing really concerns us except Biafra. That is why we are here to show the world that the mistake our forefather make will be corrected by us, and what they started will be completed by us. Yes. Do you understand that? We go nowhere. I want this broadcast this very morning for you to feel the sound in the battlefield and know that we are equal to the task. So God has prepared us for this time, and we are equal to the task. That is what makes me come up right now to tell all Biafrans all over the world to be calm, to be calm, be calm. The only thing you need to do now is burn black, red and white candle, red and white candle, and say, God of Biafra land, the ancestors of Biafra land, arise and fight against the intruder. That is the only prayer you will pray. And Chukwu Abiyama is hearing your prayer. But at the same time, we already finished our prayer. So it doesn't matter whether you pray for us or you did not pray for us. For the enemy I'm talking about, we are here to destroy the darkness. Yes, our duty is to destroy the darkness. And we will destroy the darkness beyond repair. I told them that by the time we will finish with Nigeria, Nigeria will be long gone. There will be no more. Thank you very much. Let me focus. I just want you to.
Hey! Chukwu Okabia ma mo Biafra kerekwa nge. Nna m ukwu obobere butu ụzọ. Ngwongwo echeta ọsụ igwe butu ụzọ. Nna m na enu ndị ara ndị iberibe. Nke ogbunigwe gbara ha, na nke ogbunigwe gbara ha. Na nke ogbunigwe gbara ha. Nke ha na-azụ onwe ha na ego ha wụsasịrị. Ego hope kwụrụ ha. Hope ụzọ dị mma. Hope onye iberibe. Yo, ego hope kwụrụ ha. If they play the show, you have to go hope kuro na ya we go. Ya uche ego. Ya we go. Hope kuro ha. He chefu say the money. Nga na azo nwa ha ka azo ndo. Ya uche bullet ya chen gun. Ha gbara agba. Ya we okwa amo tanka nke chenu nga obira. Na nga ogbunigwe woto promise gbara ha. Oso ha na agbasi he chefu say ego nda. Ihe ego ha chefuru nga. Butu ọbara ha nke a ọbara ha ya uche ọbara ha dịsị ya ya uche ọbara ha nke a na-ekpochisi aja ka a rịhụ ya ka a rịhụ nsọ ọbara ha ngwa wọchị ya korokoro n'obi ide pedechi ya ọbara dị ya na ya ọbara nke ọ kpọkọrọ ogbunigwe nọ n'ọrụ mmebe fere n'ọrụ ewe gba ọsọ ha gbasịrị echefu ego ndị a ego hopu kwuru ha ihe hopu ọsọ dị mgba hopu iberibe ihe gị kwuru ndị iberibe bịara ọgụ ya uche ego ha soro udo isokwu ha ụgwọ Ifeanyị Ọba ncha so bịa ndị Anambra steeti so bịa ya bụ ogbunigwe gbara ha ebe a woto promise Useme node Abon anya nke bazo anya woto promise.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, they say no be smart thing that happen today, and they say those people they collect and woto yata and so it they be no be smart thing. The update we will get today, it get many to read. We will go bring come. Just we'll drop this one first before we jump into the next one. I beg, may you share this video, share as many as you can. Make people know wetin dey go on, and make they know say yeah things dey happen. Make they notice say na everything na joke they joke for this matter. Share the video and make sure say they follow this page and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure they follow all our social media handle. Twitter we dey there, TikTok we dey there. Make sure say they follow all our social media handle. We will see you for the next update as it dey hot.